In today's demanding high production environment, the use of process chemicals influence an organization's overall efficiency and cost structure. At Henkel, we deliver expertise across the metalworking value chain, from forging, casting, and machining to cleaning and protecting industrial parts. The results are significant and include longer lasting, cleaner, and more efficient solutions. Our machining and grinding fluids are formulated to provide high lubricity, cooling, and improved bioresistance, which results in extended tool and bath life. In regards to tool life, our customers experience cleaner tools that stay sharp longer, resulting in savings from 15 to 30% in annual tooling costs. When it comes to bath life, some customers have been able to maintain their bath for nearly a decade, resulting in significant water reduction and less waste. In addition to providing a longer bath life, Henkel develops its parts cleaners to offer other environmental advantages, including lower bath temperatures, easier disposal, and reduced parts scrap and rework. One way we make this happen is by developing technologies that work on multiple surfaces under a wide range of operating temperatures, meeting the challenges of today's advanced materials and processes while improving sustainability. Cleaner running machines are more efficient and result in lower overall operating costs. At Henkel, we're delivering these results by recycling our in-process cleaners directly into our water-soluble cutting fluids, ensuring the optimum level of lubrication, cooling, and cleaning all in one package. At Henkel, finding new ways to support smooth and efficient operations, lowering overall costs, and delivering environmentally friendly solutions is what we strive to achieve every day. In multiple industries, across multiple technologies, our process chemicals demonstrate time and time again that smart solutions start with the right formula.